We're back. And another one. And I'm trying a new case today. What I have been using is a case like this. So it protects it, but it has a hole in the side. So I can plug the mic in. But now I've just bought a full skeleton case with the mic in the side. Hopefully we don't get that cracking every time we move and dance and do something. Probably getting it right now. But I thought I'd give it a go. Trying to help that audio. We've had some deliveries off Lucky Night. A couple of stickers, air freshener. How about that? Go and hit up Lucky Night. I got myself a little banner as well. He has got loads of stuff. Loads. We have banners for days. Look, one there. Another one over there. Instagram link down below. And you can go and check some of his stuff out. It's not sponsored, nothing like that. Just sick stuff, you know what I'm saying? He's a friend, hooks it up. There's one of his hats. Forgot I even had that. He's been supporting us way before YouTube, and we've been chatting to him for God knows how long, but thank you again, bro. Today's task. Steering boots on the Civic. Yeah, that's right. So we did CV boots, we did drop links, now we're doing track rod, steering boots, dust boots, whatever you want to call them. But as you know the deal, all the cars have got to go outside. So I'm going to do that now. And I'll tune with you when I've picked it up. What do you think of this little rig? What do you think of it? Yeah. What I plan with this is I can mount it like that and then put the camera on there. I know I'm an idiot. It's so difficult to sort of try and do all this on your own with one pair of hands when you're trying to do a job that needs two pair of hands. So I got this. You know what I mean? Yep. But my today's mission is to take these off. And to do that I need to get this off, I need to get that off. Oh, brilliant. I will be able to do that, but it's going to be awkward, eh? Coilovers are on order. They'll be here soon for the Civic. And then we'll do an install of how to fit some coilovers, how to snap the bolts, how to replace the rear arms, which are already over there, you've seen them. And then if you snap the bolts, you can go and get yourself some of these babies, and I'll go in there and replace it. Brand new bolts, nice, eh? Oh yes. But that's not what we're doing today. Today we're going to do the steering arms. I'm going to take this pin out, and then I can put it on a bracket and show you. Let's jump into it, shall we? Oh, sorry mate. Pin out. 17. Looks to be a 22. Oh, punching the car hurts. Really hurt. Okay, I'm going to give you some good advice now. This is very good, golden advice. We're going to go for alignment once we do the coilovers anyway. But this thread was not far off. So what I'm going to do, put a bit of tape. It's cold so it keeps breaking, yep, sound. Behind the nut. Come on, you fuck. I'm going to take the nut off. I can put the nut back on to where the thread is. How about that? Two tag cable tips. Look at that mess. Straight in the bin. You know what I mean? And it comes with a new gaiter, and it comes with new cable ties. So it comes with 4 cable ties, I think. 2 long ones for the inside, 2 short ones for the outside. My track rod end's in very good condition. Minimal play. Back in it goes. See that hole there? You put the pin through, make sure you line it up with the crack of the castle nut so you can push it through, open it up, and then we sound. What I'm going to do is lock this off now, take the tape off. What I'll do now is I'll lock that off against this, torque specs for that, tighten that up, put a pin in, take the tape off. That's what it's done. It's as easy as that. So you don't need to be driving around with ripped steering back boots, getting all the dust in, all of that. Just replace them. They're even expensive, they're like £11 a side. Just do it, man. Come on. No, easy peasy. Watch this next side now be a pain in the ass. That's it. The steering arm, outer boots are now done. This is going to be the end of this video because I presume we're about a video length worth. Plus, you don't want to sit there and make a 30-odd minute video because it's just a waste of time. But I am going to continue today, but it's going to be done in another video just because I don't want to call it there. So what I'd like you to do is, if you like the way I'm putting the videos across, let me know. There is something on the lens. I can see this being a problem now you're out the box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Share on Instagram, share on Facebook, do what you got to do. We need them subs, we've got to get the channel to grow. That's going to be it for this video. And I'll see you next time. There.
Don't need to worry.